The code to producing HD 3D crystals, 0707852. Just gorgeous. No innovator will accept the status quo. It takes drive, determination, and a hunger to make things better. When you go behind the scenes to understand not just the what, but the how, it brings about a profound depth of understanding. A few moments ago, I released a code. For those that paid attention, that is the how. That is the recipe for how our 3D crystals are not just 3D, but are HD. Let me spell it out. 0.7 millimeter spacing on the X and Y axis, not 0.08, which is what most laser operators use. 0.7 spacing on the Z axis, not 0.20. You want to compress those points and make it dense. 8 layers, 5-factor blend, a diffusion of 2, and snap. It takes your crystal from this to this. Most can't do it because the crystal will explode, unable to withstand 10 times the number of fracture points. That's why the proprietary point assortment on the Cockpit 3D program is vital and why we use this software. My name is Riyaz and I'm the founder of 3D Crystal. If you are a potential customer, welcome. I promise my team will over-deliver and exceed your expectations. If you're seeking to enter this industry and sell 3D crystals, welcome aboard. I've shared our formula and assisted companies globally in their 3D ventures. Reach out, give me a call, and let's build it together.